On the 5th of October 2024, the world was surprised when Russian Su-70 Okhotnik-B unmanned combat aerial vehicle was down in Ukraine. S-70 is not an ordinary drone. This heavy, unmanned vehicle is as big as a fighter jet but without a cockpit. It is very hard to detect and its developers claim it has almost no analogy in the world. 4 prototype S-70s were thought to have been built, and it is possible the one blown out of the sky over Ukraine on the 5th of October 2024. Russia-Ukraine war has seen many drones but nothing like Russia's S-70. Please do not skip the video. We are reaching to main contents of the video. Now it has been discovered that a Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B unmanned combat aerial vehicle was reliant on a plethora of Western chips. The drone included parts from analog devices, Fairchild Semiconductor, Infineon, Marvell, Maxim, Micron, Semiconductor, STMicroelectronics, Tejas Instruments, Xilinx, and more, some of which also produce electronics for the US military. The S-70 Okhotnik-B is one of Russia's most advanced drone prototypes, and it's supposed to act as an autonomous wingman to the Sukhoi Su-57 using artificial intelligence. Although the S-70 is primarily a reconnaissance drone, it's reported to have an internal weapons bay capable of carrying up to 2,000 kilograms of missiles, rockets, or bombs. Because of this, the S-70 requires advanced electronics to help accomplish its mission. Although the West has heavily sanctioned Russia, reducing its access to advanced technologies, it's still able to acquire key components through the black market, allowing Russian companies to continue using Western electronics to produce weapons despite stringent export control. According to the German news site golem.de, the drone was deliberately shot down by a Russian jet after it went out of control in the Donetsk region, some 16 kilometers behind the front lines. Ukrainian soldiers then recovered the wreckage, and Ukraine's military intelligence services investigation revealed these chips and their sources.